Hello everyone, today I bring you the UHV-103 CT PT Tester, produced by Wuhan UHV. It can perform CT PT excitation measurement. Today, I will use it to measure the inflection point voltage and inflection point current of the transformer. The following is an introduction to the panel of the instrument. There are 3 wiring diagrams on the panel. They correspond to the test end of the PT ratio polarity current method. A wiring port of the PT-CT volt-ampere characteristic. And the PT ratio polarity wiring port. Here is the rotating cursor, which is used to select and set parameters. There is an amplifier switch here. It is turned on after the instrument has set the corresponding parameters. Only after it is turned on will there be high voltage output. If it is not turned on, it will not have output by default. Here is the power switch and power supply access. First, connect this ground wire to it. Next, do a CT volt-ampere characteristic test. Start wiring. Connect the ground wire in the upper left corner of the instrument. And then connect K1 and K2 on the volt-ampere characteristic panel to the secondary side of the transformer, respectively. Connect K1, K2 to the secondary side of the transformer. It should be noted that we did not use one of its secondary terminals, so we need to short-circuit this terminal. After plugging in the power cord, turn on the power. Enter the interface. Select the CT transformer. Select excitation, which is the volt-ampere characteristic to be made. Select 5 amperes for the excitation current, because this is a 600 to 5 current transformer. First, select 500 for the excitation voltage value. Because we don't know what its excitation inflection point voltage is at the beginning, set it to 500 first. If the value of 500 cannot be tested, then set it higher. After setting it, turn on the power amplifier switch, and then conduct the test. Now the test results are out. Setting it to 500 can produce results, so there is no problem. If you can't reach this inflection point voltage, you need to set it higher. Here we can see its error curve. 5% and 10% error curves. You can open it and take a look. This is the 5% error curve. And this is the 10% error curve. After reading, we print out the results. The results are printed out. The test is complete. Turn off the instrument. Remember to turn off the power amplifier switch.